What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller. Today we have a what sold video with a caveat, right? So these 5 items we all could find in any single thrift shop, and they're all going to put at least $30 of profit into your wallet. And if your wallet's anything like mine as a reseller, it's empty. And I didn't even stage this. I'm dead broke. I got no money, no nothing. I live here at my storage unit. No, not really, but these are good items that are gonna make you 30 bucks. And I'm confident we all can find this type of stuff in any and every single thrift store that we have. I know people, well, your thrift stores are better than mine. Well, your thrift stores are worse than mine. This stuff is out there if you just look. And I got some exciting stuff here, right? So, first up, Blood's a River hardcover. This is science fiction, right? So all you nerds out there that is like, I don't touch fiction, science fiction, there's no money. Fine. I will continuously sell Blood's River, which came out in 2018. This is no old specialty book. Sold it for $73.98. I made $55.36 in hard. All of a sudden, Mr. Krabs' wallet's starting to fill up. There's a $50 bill in there. There's a 5. There's some coins. Fiction. When I scan this, I'm like, whoo, wait a minute. Fiction, paying my bills. So, great flip here, hardcover, your normal run-of-the-mill science fiction stuff. 55 bucks you make. Don't get no easier than selling media on Amazon. That's why I want you all to do it, and I want you all to make a whole bunch of money. All right, next up, Balers Gate, a novelization. This is a mass market paperback. I do have some. The stuff you all don't mess with, the stuff you don't want to scan, the stuff where you got to scan the barcode on the inside. Sold this for $54.59. Profit on that little guy, $40.21. You see the sections. Every book scanner sees the huge sections of mass paperbacks. I'm here to tell you, it's a gold mine. You don't believe me? Go find out for yourself. And then make sure when you make a whole bunch of money, you come back and you join the channel for $2.99 and you become a superstar and appreciate who put you on to the mass paperback game on Amazon. And remember, the inside barcode, the back barcode usually doesn't link up with the book. So fun little fact, they're usually on the inside cover or some of them are on the back cover. I'm telling you, so much money in these. I probably shouldn't even have put this out there to the public. Now you're going to be tanking all the mass markets. All right, moving on. Fallout 76 Official Collector's Edition Guide. I actually made a community post about this one when I found it. I think I found it about a month ago. Middle of the day in one of my busiest, most competitive thrift stores. Don't you know the Fallout Collector's Edition Guide is sitting there on the bottom shelf? I'm like, wait a minute. Is that what I think it is? $2.99 I paid for this. I remember it because I made a post about it, so it's like burned into my mind. We sold it for $48.97. Profit was $32.74. Cha-ching! All of a sudden, my profit now is over 100 bucks. This is only 3 little items that we're finding, right? It's crazy out there what the possibilities are with the media game, and it's out there. You just have to be willing to put in the time and put in the work. You don't get to pick and choose what you scan. You think I've been doing this for 5 years and I go in and I decide I'm not going to scan this shelf. I don't feel like scanning books today. I'm really not finding books. No. Boom, boom, boom. Get it done. If you think this job is hard, go get a job at CVS as a store manager. Then you can come back to, Amazon and appreciate what you got. All right, moving along. Early American railroads. I can't even say pronounce because this guy's name is so Franz Anton Witter von Gerstners die Inneren Kommunikations. That's like terrible German. That sounded nothing like German. We sold it for $49.99. Profit was $32.65. This was like a 1E score. I was even hesitant to send this in, but I priced it super low, and it sold, you know? I mean, with the slow moving stuff, don't be greedy. Cut it in. 40 bucks. I put an extra, what, 32 bucks in my pocket? I'll take it all day long. This game is all about cash flow. You people out here trying to hold on for every last penny, you ain't gonna last. You're still gonna be holding on for the last penny when you're doing your yard sale, and somebody like myself or Tech and Sports comes through and says, hey, how much for all of it? And then we go make a whole bunch of money off it. That's just the reality of reselling. It's cash flow intensive. You gotta move inventory. Got my little handy dandy portable hand warmer Deb got me. I love this thing, right? Because you know it's cold out here at the storage unit. I can't afford these fancy storage units, right? Some of you have out there. You got couches, bathrooms, heaters, lights. I'm out here with a hand warmer. I got a little heater I'm gonna turn on over there. Listen, you make it work. If you want it, you make it work. The last one we got is a PBS DVD, The 1900 House. No idea what this is about. It's a documentary. We sold it for $44.60. Profit was $32.68. Everything today gonna make you at least 30 bucks. 5 items. 5 items is gonna put $150 in profit in your pocket. I mean, yes, every item you find isn't gonna be something that's gonna make you 30 plus profit, but this is how we win. We go in, we put in the time, we scan the stuff, we send the stuff in, we price it correctly, and it sells. That is the name of the game here, and it goes to show, right? How many media items can you fit in a box? You do one Amazon box every week, maybe it's 40 items, on average $10 profit, and that's, I mean, we just showed 5, that's over 30, so even if we do an average of 10, that's a potential extra $400 in your pocket when these items sell. $400 a week is nothing, you know? I mean, that's life-changing money for a lot of people. That's a car payment, you know, utilities, credit card payments. Get in the mindset of these items are out there. You can't manifest anything, but you can manifest doing things the right way and creating yourself luck, because when you go out, you put in the time, you build the relationships, you scan everything, you find these items. All of a sudden, things start clicking. This business starts working for you. You start making money. You get more motivated. And it's just a snowball effect that turns into you living in a storage unit like myself. So that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more used book videos. Bye-bye.